The key to effective meetings is to identify why they're significant to the attendees. The failure of meetings is that they're on the calendar, regularly scheduled to occur despite whether or not there are reasons to meet or not. This presentation discusses finding the purposes of a meeting, creating an agenda that communicates the purposes of each item, and developing an action plan. Identifying the leaders who will carry out the tasks on a timeline and report the progress of the results. This course teaches all professionals how to design and lead effective meetings. Topics include meeting planning, agenda development, facilitation skills, and decision-making. Participants will learn how to effectively communicate with attendees, keep meetings organized and on track, and achieve desired outcomes. The online business course also covers best practices for remote and virtual meetings and strategies for engaging attendees and fostering collaboration. By the end of the course, participants will have the skills and knowledge needed to design and lead productive, engaging, and efficient meetings that drive results.